Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipma News. Here I am reading all the newspaper articles. This is our today article. Bharat Forest System set to give sharper rain alert. Precision Technology, the BFS, developed by Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, aims at improving weather forecast model. Existing forecast model use sequence grids of 12 kilometer sites to map a region. Use equals C's grid to map region, able to give block level forecast 5 days ahead. PFS model breaking down a region into 6 kilometer site for mapping, leading to a four-fold improvement. Uses a triangular cubic octahedral structure, able to give forecast up to the level of Panchayat. Jacob Kushe, New Delhi wrote this article. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) on Monday adopted the Bharat Forecast System (BFS), which provides a more fine-tuned and accurate rain forecast down to the panchayat level. The improvement will largely be visible in the short and medium term forecast. 3 and 7 day lead time issued by the IMD, but not in the long range forecast, usually given a month in advance. The BFS, developed by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology (IITM), has been tested since 2002 and has shown notable improvement in giving advance warning of heavy rainfall events. M. Rajendran, Secretary Ministry of Earth Science, said the improvement in the forecast is due to the IITM significantly improving the existing weather forecast model as well as harnessing more powerful computing capability for analysis. The current weather forecast model cut up the globe into grid squares of 12 kilometer side. The newer BFS model break it down into 6 kilometer side, leading to a four-fold improvement. India is the only current country that will now provide operational weather forecast at a 6 kilometer by 6 kilometer resolution, said M. Mohapatra, Director General IMD. However, the new system would not yet be able to significantly improve forecast of phenomena like sudden severe thunderstorm. We have different model for that. We are in the process of installing 34 developer weather radar in the coming year, Mr. Mohapatra added. Until now, we have been able to give a block level forecast 5 days ahead. Now we can give a to the level of panchayat or a few village, the IMD official said. Another major change, he said, Mr. Ravichandra, was using a new grid structure. The new grid structure, called the triangular cubic orchestra, generates more grids and therefore higher resolution over the tropical region than the poles. As weather here is more volatile, this is more important for our forecast purpose, he said. Wash Ashir container from the Liberian flag cargo ship that sank off the Kochi coast was ashore near Kollam on Monday. The incident had raised concern about a possible oil spill and ecological damage along Kerala's coast. This is our daily English practice section. K. Subramanian S. Upendra, what does glitch mean? Why do you ask? Because many people are calling the recently concluded Olympic Games the glitch games. Yes, I heard about that. Well, glitch is a slang word meaning a sudden mishap or malfunction. As for example, I can say there is a glitch in the computer program, meaning there is a defect in the computer program. Yes, that the right. I see. You can. You so I can can I say there a glitch in my car? I can, but you can't. Why not? Because you don't have a car. Ha ha ha. Very funny. So how was the party last night? It was great. No glitches here. Glitches rims with switch. And who was elected president of your club? Ram Das. He won it hands down. Hand down. How can someone win something with his hand down? When you say someone won something hand down, it means he she won it easily or without a doubt. For example, I can say Devi is the most popular secretary hand down. Is it okay to say Sri Lanka won the World Cup's hand down? You certainly can. Here are another example. India did not expect to win the gold medal in hockey hand down and is expected. They did not even enter the semi final. Don't sound so disappointed. I expected them to win the bronze at least, but you sound just like your father. That should not be surprising. I am like my father. I am like my father. I am like my father, but I like means the same thing. Don't they do, but they cannot be used the same way. Like usually comes between the two nouns that are being compared. Kalpana looks like her mother. Tendulkar does not bat like Gavaskar. A good example, the shirt that you are wearing is like the shirt that my father has. So when do I use like as a like it is usually used after the two nouns that are being compared and now between them. For example, Kalpana and her mother looks alike, so should I say Tendulkar and Gavaskar don't bet like that, right? The shirt that you are wearing and the shirt your father has are like excellent. You and I like in a lot of ways. No way you have a glitch. That's I dash. Where is the glitch in your head? Published in the Hindu on August 20, 1996. This is our daily quiz. The first ever Star Wars movie was released on May 25, 1977. Since then, the franchise has excited generation through various iteration. How big of Star Wars fan are you? Tanrika Narayan made this quiz. Let's toss it up to start with. The first Star Wars movie that was released was retrospectively aired with two other movies, and the trilogy was later associated with prequel trilogy and a sequel trilogy. What was the trilogies called? Question number two. What was Returns of the Jedi called before its name was changed a few months prior to its release? Before Frank Oz controlled the puppet yard, what animal was supposed to play the wise one? During the production of New Hope, the Libyan government mistakenly identified this vehicle as a military tank. Named the device. Question number 5. Before Yoda, I had only the one name. Yoda was actually supposed to be his last name. What was the first name then? Visual question. What breed of dog was inspiring for Chewbacca according to George Lucas? Question to the previous day quiz. The Tokyo Skate architect combines the traditional Japanese styles with dash neo-futurism. The construction of this twin building began in 2004 and its outer structure was completed in 2000. Burj Khalifa, the Gulf of Mexico, is the location of the 640-meter high structure built in 2000. Chevron Meridica 118 in Kuala Lumpur is second tallest building in the world, named the Malaysian Prime Minister who defended its controversial expansion in Najib Razak. The building in question 2, 4 and the visual all belong to a class of structure called dash skyscraper. Mangata Tall visual name the building Shanghai Tower. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow on next day. Jai Hind.